So this is your boy Miguel from the Motor Mechanic, Simplified 70. I get down and get straight to the point, working on a Ford Explorer. The vehicle was acting extremely crazy because there was an air leak in one of the hoses. How this works: the car, vehicle, SUV, van, I don't care, whatever you're driving, is a vacuum who sucks in a lot of air through here, which is where your filter's at. There is going to be a sensor, a mass airflow sensor, MAP sensor, I don't care what you call it, is metering and checking how much air is going into the intake to go into the engine, which mixes with the fuel and does the combustion and gives you the perfect stability in the vehicle to run smooth and give you the power. The moment there is extra air coming in, like this hose, which ran from the intake all the way over there, had a huge split in it. So now the vehicle computer is trying to compensate, but it cannot. So the vehicle is going to run crazy and cause other systems to fail. So just understand, if you hear a hissing noise or you have an air leak somewhere in one of your hoses, start checking your hoses. One of the first things I do is I take brake fluid cleaner and I will spray around the intake, and wherever it stops for a couple seconds is sucking it in and sealed it up for a couple seconds. That doesn't mean this is the only problem with this vehicle, but this is one of the obvious problems with this vehicle at this moment. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and follow. Thank you.